Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe, right? So we were discussing about the chapter addition, second chapter, where we have discussed how can we regroup tens, how can we regroup ones, and how can we regroup the hundreds also, right beta? Now we will see some problem solving sums, okay? Now this is a small example with 2-digit number, later we can do with some more digit numbers. Now the question is, maybe some competition, okay, to make the flags for the Republic Day or Independence Day, like that. So there are some houses, red house and blue house, okay. So the question is, red house has made the flag 72, okay, and blue house has made the flag 23 more than the red house. Here they have not given the second part directly, okay. They have done this with the help of words. They have used the words to describe the number, okay. Now 23 more than the red house. So what can we do here? So whenever in problem solving we will get more than means we will always go with addition of the numbers, okay. Now how much more? 23 of red house. How much red house made? 72 flags. And blue house 23 more than. So we will add these two numbers, and right. So it will be 2 plus 3 5, 7 plus 2 9, okay. So the number of flags blue house made is equal to 95. Clear beta? This is how we will solve whenever we have some problems, step problems, while using the different steps. And when we have that word more than, that means we should always go with addition. Then there are typical words. Just by reading these words we should understand that they are asking for addition, like more than, then in all, that means the total, like that. Whenever there are particular words we should understand that they are asking for addition, right? Now there are some typical other type of problems also. For example, if you see, now in some questions you will get some extra information also, but that is not required to solve the problem, okay. So in your page number, that is 43, okay, you have some typical type of questions on page number 43, okay, where they have provided some information in the problem and they have asked to underline the information that is only required by us to solve the problem, okay. So let us take one first question. Preeti made 9 bracelets. One girl, Preeti, she made 9 bracelets, and to make the smaller bracelets she used 98 beads, okay, and to make the larger bracelets she used 176 beads. Now here we have to underline which information is important to us. So how many bracelets she made, that is not important to us, okay, because what he is asking in the question, he asked how many beads she used in all. So he is only considering the beads whatever she used. Nowhere we are related to the bracelets how many she made, okay. So this information is not important. So underline the information that is required by us, that is how many bracelets, how many beads she used for making smaller one and how many beads she used for making larger one, right? And this information is not at all required by us, okay beta. So you have to underline the information that is required by us. Now we will solve this. Beads she used in all. Total how many beads she used in all. So we will go with the addition, right? So just like I told you, whenever we have all word we will always go with the addition, right? Now 176 plus 98. So we should always arrange them like this, okay. So in the number of digits, first we should, if 4 digits are there, we should take 4 digits, then 3, then 2, like that. Now 6 plus 8, 14. We will put 4 here, 1 here. Then 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. So total she has made 274 beads. Therefore, answer is equal to 274. Clear? So, this is how you will solve all the questions in the page number 43. That is the problems. You have to underline which information is important for us, and we have to do this only. Whatever the blank is given, space is given, you should solve only this part. Right, beta? This whole is not required. No need to write the steps. You have to write only the solving part, and then you have to find out the answer, and you have to write the answer as 274 bits. Sorry, it's not bed, beats. Okay, so that is how we will solve these questions. So all other questions you can try on your own. If you have any doubts, we can clear in doubt clearing session. Hope you have understood the chapter addition. So here I'll conclude the chapter addition, and next we will go to the next chapter. Till now, bye. Have a nice day.